Today, I'm presenting a very exciting brand partnership to you. Two brands are coming together, MINI and Deus, and created two wonderful cars. MINI is known for its racing heritage and contemporary design. Deus, on the other hand, for their customization philosophy. They have really started and disrupted the motorcycle customization space, and they now applied some of their thinking to our MINI cars. Both cars share the same DNA, and there are clearly design aspects that unite these cars. What unites them is the passion for famous racing stories, and that's clearly expressed through bold graphics, color, delivery, the numbers, and that is something you find on both cars, but applied in very different ways. The John Cooper Works was fabricated in a metal shop, and the John Cooper Works Electric in a surf shop. That means that both cars are very different in character. That is because of the use of tools, different manufacturing methodologies, and certainly a different set of materials. But what unites the two cars is the love for craftsmanship and the attention to detail that we've applied in both designs. From all sides, you should recognize the MINI. On the front, we have features like the light pod, the metal perforated air intake, also air intakes on the headlights, the spoiler on the bottom, give that authentic race feel. Looking at the side of the car, bold graphics, bold colors, pull the design together. Details like the wider wheel arches, the light white rims, and then graphics on the tire walls. And obviously, one thing I love very, very much, the exterior mirror reminding us of historical race cars. Looking at the rear of the car, details supporting the authentic race feel of these products. The spoiler, the exhaust pipe, the aero finisher on the bottom. On this car, we find a raw and purpose-built interior. Customization aspects for the fun of cornering and fast lap times. Hydraulic handbrake, bucket seats with 5-point harness, shift pedals, combined with material choices such as waxed canvas and stainless steel. Obviously, lightweight door panels, absolute minimal hole patterns to speak about the lightweight character of this car. And very important to mention, the X graphics on the interior, on the door panels, and also on the roof of both cars, speaking to the fun we've had with this collaboration. Let's talk about this striking John Cooper Works Electric. Very recognizable in its front, the signature MINI grille frame, in this case lit together with the headlights. Fiberglass from the surfboard manufacturing process on the front. Strikingly bold graphics on this car. Fiberglass applications on the wheel arches, and I love the cutouts to show more tires. A semi-transparent roof with attachment points and the MINI straps to fasten your surfboards. Asymmetry, perfect imperfection, what MINI is so known for, with different colors on the rims. Bold Deus graphics on the rear, something that unites the two cars. And then my absolute favorite feature on this John Cooper Works Electric, the spoiler. This reminds us of the surfboard, the very best, foam core in the center, semi-transparent winglets. So in the interior of the car, the world of surfing and racing come together in a perfect match. We started by taking things out and then putting back in what is necessary to our story. Lightweight materials and obviously seating pans from neoprene, a semi-transparent dashboard from fiberglass, almost no door panels, and bold accent colors that we know already from our exterior. And check out this fun detail in the rear of the car. We designed 2 buckets for your wetsuits and plenty of MINI straps to hold down your gear.